Hey, and welcome back to another video in this course. Today is just a quick topic talking about cost-cutting strategies and basically childproofing your shop. The easier things are for your employees, faster your output is, the more money you make because you save money on saving time. Time is money in this business. With any business, time is money, especially when your profit margins are very slim with t-shirts. The average is about maybe 20 to 30% for most shops. But if you're adding on print on demand and your profit margins are maybe $8 to $10, you really want to save as much time as you can, especially with those low ticket sales. Optimizing your shop, reducing the amount of hands that are participating in doing certain tasks in exchange for equipment, automation, systems that actually work and stand the test of time. This will save you a ton of time, a ton of money, a ton of headaches. And when you have a new hire, it'll be easier to train them and onboard them instead of trying to train them with your manual systems, knowing that they're gonna make mistakes over and over again. Childproofing your shop is what I like to call it. And I will begin by showing you our childproof systems that children can do at the shop. Not saying to hire children, but keep in mind, you wanna make sure a child can do it, so your employees will 100% be able to do it. The first way we childproofed our shop is by simply organizing our blanks from smalls, larges, XLs, different colors, and making sure that they are in these boxes by the style of t-shirt. So here we have 1801 GD, and then we have all style 1301 and stuff like that. Our popular blanks are organized. That way it's easy for your employees to go in there and know that they're either gonna get a black or white 1801 GD LA Apparel t-shirt and find what they're looking for immediately. The second way is barcodes. These go hand in hand because when you're picking for something, it will show the product type, the size, and the color. Having the barcodes system right in front of your organized blanks allows you to simply pick up what you're looking for, find it instantly, and place it on your shirt. There's no looking through boxes, sifting through things, and trying to find the right color, find the right size of stuff that just came in. As soon as your stuff come in, you organize them, you pick them, then you pre-treat them, which will take me to the next topic of childproofing the pre-treatment process, which is using our FIrebird FIP pre-treatment washing machine. This bad boy here can pre-treat up to 300 tees in an hour, and simultaneously we can have the tees that are being washed dry at the same time. So while we're doing one load, we have another load drying, and this allows us to pre-treat 300 shirts in an hour. So that's a huge step above the manual pre-treating process, where we were scanning barcodes, seeing the graphic pop up over here, and then pre-treating it manually. Imagine we had to do 300 of these. We would be sitting here for hours at a time, days, weeks, trying to do 300 of these. When in actuality, we can go ahead, toss them into here, get 300 done in 1 hour. That's 3 weeks compared to 1 hour. Think of how many man hours you would have to pay for 300 of these printed hoodies just to get pre-treated. Not even to mention printing, and not even to mention all the errors, human errors, which is normal, that your employees will end up making with the manual pre-treating process. So that's another way we childproofed our shop. I'm not expecting you to go out there and purchase this machine right away or right now, but that's definitely something to keep in mind for your future shop growth and a way to think to enable you to make better decisions for optimizing your shop. You want to think in terms of quantity, at scale, in bulk. You never want to think in terms of, okay, I can do it, it's easy, so everyone should be able to do it. Not everyone thinks like you, not everyone is like you, not everyone works like you. Think of ways that you can make it so easy, a child can do it. So then your employee, that's most likely a grown adult, will also be able to follow along and do it. If you point me to someone who can't throw clothes in a washing machine and click a button, I would be surprised. This is another way we streamline our printing and fulfillment process, childproofing it, by having a bulk pre-treat system that 0 mistakes can be made. So next up we have barcodes, and this system eliminates human error, user error, from dragging the design around at the wrong size, placing it incorrectly, placing it on the wrong side of the garment, and placing it on the wrong garment completely, size, color, you name it. All the mistakes that come with printing can easily be resolved by your barcode system. Again, it shows the blank type, the color, the size, and everything you need to know. This is a sample t-shirt, but I'm just showing you for example purposes of scanning the barcode, how it uploads the image automatically, sends it to your printer, and you can print the correct thing every single time. So we're gonna go ahead and scan it, and we will see here, there is a left sleeve, right sleeve, and front placement. This is just a combined sleeve if you want to print 2 sleeves at a time with this custom platen here that I recommend in our sleeve printing segment. But we're going to start with front first. And as you can see here, it is a black LA Apparel 2XL zip for this blank. The image uploads instantly. So this not only helps your employee visualize what's supposed to be printed, but they can also see how it's supposed to look when it's printed, what blanket it's supposed to be printed on, and they also get double confirmation of the size of the blank, the color of the blank, and what blanket should be on the screen. That enables you to avoid so many mistakes that new employees end up making at your print shop. This will save you a ton of money over time. Not only will it save you money on your mistakes, but this will save you money on the time it takes for each employee to print garments. As you just saw, this uploaded in about 5 to 10 seconds. I will be showing you how to set this barcode system up and the workflow up completely in the Enterprise Tier course, but this is just another way you optimize and child-proof your shop, because I can't name a child who can't hold a barcode up to a barcode scanner and click what they want to print. This was yet another way to child-proof your shop. And the next thing I'm going to be talking about is child-proofing your drying process, and simply taking your garment from being printed to dropping it on a tunnel dryer is yet another way of child-proofing your shop, because it's very simple to drop a shirt on a belt that's always moving and drying it automatically for you. It's much easier than having your employee upload to a heat press, line it up correctly, grabbing parchment paper, making sure, careful not to smudge the design with the parchment paper, dragging it around, and then also ruining the print by compressing the image so much that it takes away some of the vibrancy from the print. Having this one tunnel dryer prevents all of this. You simply grab your print from your machine, drop it on the belt, voila. Takes 5 seconds to do that. That's yet another way how to child-proof your shop, by getting a tunnel dryer that does the drying process for you. Think machines, think systems, think automation. This will save you a ton of money in the long term. Don't think about now, don't think about how it costs this much now. Think about how much it's gonna cost you in the future if you keep up with manual processes, having 10 different people for 5 different tasks. You need to have machines doing these tasks for you. Thankfully, these machines have been made for shops like you and shops like me, especially if you're looking to grow your business into a business that is doing hundreds of thousands per month. You don't want to have a system that you're training employees, 10, 20 employees, how to do one thing. Your machine should be able to do that one thing for you and automate that process to make things easier for you, much easier for your team, less stress, and more money overall for your business. I hope I was able to clarify things for you in terms of child-proofing your shop and making things super simple for you to get started and make a lot more money than you are currently doing things manually. If you're already on some of these systems, that's great. Keep it up and keep improving your shop. If there's anything you feel like I am missing or you need to learn more about, feel free to book a call with me. I look forward to speaking with you and helping you grow your shop. As always, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.